Good morning, good morning, good morning. I was just checking on email that just came in. Yes, I have my iPad in here. My son Joshua would laugh at me sometimes when he would come in the room. He would come in just to talk to me, and then he would pay attention to what I'm doing. And sometimes he would say to me, "Mommy, you know what? That makes no sense. You have your cell phone, your laptop, and your iPad at the same time." And so I guess he thought I looked like a big kid. You know how the kids are so hooked on technology? Even when I was going to the church house, and I'd be in the church, and it would be time for the scripture, I'd pull out my iPad because that's where my Bible is. I use the YouVersion Bible app. And man, I like that app. Sometimes when you don't know what to read, when you open that Bible app, there is a story that you can open on the home page. When you open the story, they give you a thought, something to think about. Maybe it's, do you know that you were really created on purpose, with purpose? I believe that's the way it said it this morning. And then after that, it gives you another screen. And that screen this morning said that I was fearfully and wonderfully made. That scripture comes from Psalms 139. And I think it's 13 and 14. After that, then this live being comes on a video. And you know I like videos. And explains what that scripture means to them. And this morning, I can't remember the lady's name, but I will put it right up here. She said who she was and the ministry that she works with. I like the name of the ministry because the name of the ministry is Broken Crayons, Still Color. You realize that's true. And when I heard the name of the ministry, I just started looking back on things that have happened in my life, that have been challenges in my life, things that have hurt me, things that may have caused me to want to flee, to go backwards, to become negative, to do things that are not pleasing to God. And then you realize that's a form of brokenness. But here I am today, standing strong in front of you, knowing that my life has purpose. I keep going, and I keep doing what I believe to be the will of God. Broken crayons do still color. Yes, broken crayons still do color. And a pencil with a broken lead can still be sharpened. Think about that. Just think about yourself as a crayon or as a pencil. No matter what comes into your life, there is some sort of apparatus that can be used to correct that situation. In the case of a crayon, nothing is needed. It's broken. It might be broken in half. Then now you have two crayons. Two. If it's a pencil and the lead is broken, and you're that pencil and the lead is broken, then let God sharpen you. Give it to Him. He has said in his word that we should cast our cares on him because he cares for us. How do you cast your cares on God? You say, God, this is your battle and not mine. And I have faith to believe that you will take care of this situation in my life because I'm standing on your promises. You told me to cast my cares on you. And I'm going to do exactly what you said. And then you step back and you see the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living and how he handles things and he straightened things out in your life. I was talking to a girlfriend of mine and she was telling me about one of her sons and that throughout his teenage years, he was a challenge. And at some point, you wonder what he was going to do, how he was going to get himself out of this pickle. But she never gave up on him. Today, that young man has a son that he is nurturing and bringing up in the admonition of the Lord. That young man now has 2 master's degrees. And what he has done when he accomplishes something is he says, I do it for you, Mom. I did it for my mother. But what he is actually saying, Mom, is that I'm living out the scripture that says, train up a child in the way that he should go, and he will not depart from it. Don't give up. Keep on going. Broken crayons still color. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers. And I especially love God because I stood in this mirror this morning to do my hair. I turned on this camera to do my hair. And I meant to do something different. And he gave me that message just for you. Whoever you are, that message is just for you. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day.